but I'm not gonna go ahead and go on this red. All right, third light is run. What's going on, guys? Here we're back. We're about 0.8 miles from our exit here. We're taking exit 1 to Hospital, South Tryon Street.
In half a mile, take exit 1 on the right onto South Tryon Street toward Hospital.
There you go. Taking exit 1 on the right to South Tryon Street towards Hospital. We're gonna go ahead here and get in this right lane, and I already have the satellite view up. There is one entrance and one entrance only. We're gonna go ahead and throw our jakes on. We're gonna make a right at the end here. We're about 2 miles away from the delivery, so it's been a pretty smooth ride, but I did have to push back the time because whoever dropped this trailer decided they wanted to drop it with a bald tire, so had to get that taken care of. Took a little bit out of my day, so
turn right onto South Tryon Street.
We were initially supposed to get here about 6 a.m. 6:30 a.m. and it's now 10 a.m. so yeah, that took a big chunk of time out, plus the cluster that was at the what do you call that place, at the Loves that I actually went to, was actually my fuel stop, and it was a cluster there, dude. And I mean cluster, and I can't even attempt to go because yeah, I don't have any space. So sorry, trucks behind me, you're gonna have to wait just like I am. What a yubs. But other than that, it's been a pretty smooth ride. Been a pretty smooth ride, nothing really brewing. All right, make sure we go wide and we are good. We're gonna make a left in 0.9 miles, so we're actually just gonna go ahead and stay in this left lane here. No point in trying to get over to the left lane here or going into the right lane when we need to be in the left in about half a mile. So whatevs. Let's see here, we're gonna speed limit 45. I'm so glad to get rid of this load because this load is super heavy, and the next load we're picking up is right here in Charlotte, and we will be going to Jacksonville, and then I go home and vacation time, baby. But let's see here, we got a red light, red light, red light, red light, red light, red light. All right, come to a complete stop, and at the next light, not that light under, the next light, we'll go ahead and make a left about 0.4 miles. So that's why I stood in the left lane, because look at all these trucks behind me and trying to get over, cut across. Man, let's just avoid all that all of those extra shenanigans, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully the light turns green for us now, and then we can go. Oh, green now. 3, 2, oh. All right, then all right, let's see here. So at the next light, we're gonna go ahead and make a left. Joe Mama's Pizza and Grill. so at the next light up there where it's red, we're gonna go ahead and make a left up here. And we're gonna go ahead and get, okay, somebody's in a rush. Little weirdo.
Turn in the first left onto Westinghouse Boulevard.
You're right there. Came up all the way onto the median. Okay, what a weirdo. Hey buddy, you know you rushed to a red light. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and make this left. And then we're gonna go ahead and also get in this left lane here. And then we're gonna make this left up here. I don't know why I turned it off.
First left onto Pioneer Avenue.
Alright, we're gonna make this left here when it is safe to do so. Alright, okie dokie, okie dokie. There's a car coming. Alright, and after that car, it looks all clear, so we can go ahead and go. We're gonna go. Holy crap, this is a tight turn. Alright, I didn't want to hit the curb behind me, and I definitely didn't want to hit the curb in front of me, but we made it, so that's good. Apparently somebody said I'm always getting close to the curbs, and I'm always getting close to the curbs. Well, I mean, you do know I'm pulling a 53-foot trailer. You're gonna get close to the curbs, buddy. Like, I don't know what the hell you think I'm driving, but I'm not driving a car. If you think I'm driving a car, so yeah, you're gonna get close to curbs, guys. Like, hello, some of these streets aren't made for freaking, you know, tractor trailers. I don't know. Some people just have no like logic, I guess, guys. We're gonna stay wide here. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure nobody's coming. All right, and then we're gonna go wide again. And look, I went close to the curb. Oh my goodness, I went close to the curb again. Is it this? No, 1911. It's gonna be on the right hand side here. Okay, see myself on the satellite here, and this is the place we're coming to. And oh man, I was hoping it was gonna be a drop and hook. So we're gonna get in here. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn our signal on, and this is where we're coming into. Okay, not this. I don't think this is the entrance here. All right, I didn't know that it was one whole thing. All right, guys, so I do see that there's a guard shack here, so let me go ahead and check in, and I'll come with you guys in a little bit. Holy crap, this place is busy. All right, guys, so our load got denied. Bam, because we were late. And this is what I mean by whoever dropped this freaking trailer and didn't get the tires fixed, that tire that was not legal. Now look, now I gotta freaking go to a truck stop. I already called dispatch. Go to a truck stop and figure out what I'm gonna do with my life. I'm supposed to be home tomorrow, so this is actually really upsetting because somebody else didn't want to get a trailer fixed. Now I have to, because I got it fixed, now I have to go fucking sit down somewhere and jack around, jack my whatever. You know what I'm saying? So
turn left onto
inconsiderate people is what it is. Inconsiderate mother effers. Because holy crap, you seriously couldn't get a freaking tire fixed? And I called dispatch originally, and they said, you know, that they were gonna rearrange it and I'm not sure if anybody got a hold of that. I don't know if the message got sent to wherever I'm delivering here, but whatever. I'm not freaking sorry, dude. Oh man, man, and nobody, like, the good part is the truck stop is only 10 miles away. The bad part is the truck stop is 10 miles away. I wasn't supposed to go to that truck stop. You know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to be unloaded and gone about my business, but guess whatever. Cars are coming through at a rapid freaking rate. Like, when can I go? Oh man, this is so upsetting. Alright, we're gonna go. So we're gonna make this left here, and I guess figure out what we're gonna do, whether this load is gonna get relayed or what. Now my next load, which they already gave to me super late, the next load I'm picking up was already late to begin with. It was supposed to be picked up on the 16th. So that's trucking, right? That's freaking trucking. If your trailer's messed up, please get it fixed. If you're a driver, a newer driver than I am. If you got a broken trailer, please go get it fixed before you drop it off. It's only right. I'm sure you would want the same freaking courtesy, because this is ridiculous. Because now you're gonna make another driver late to go home, and I was supposed to be home, and I have plans. I have reservations on the 21st and all types of stuff. Alright, so like, come on, like, dude, whoever dropped this trailer, fuck to you, okay? And I say that from the bottom of my heart, with love, sincerely. Because what the F, man? So aggravating. And there's that one time that I picked up 2 trailers that were broken, but I haven't picked up a broken trailer since then, or a messed up trailer since then. And here it goes again, wasting my time. So I guess it is what it is. As my buddy would say, that's trucking. That's trucking. Anyways, guys, I'm about like 9 miles from the truck stop, so I guess I'm gonna go over there and sit around and see what the F they want to do and figure this ish out. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Alright guys, so on our way to the Loves here, I stopped over at a rest area and
half a mile, take the
noticed,
first exit on the right onto North Grand Street.
Okay, sweetie, okay. I noticed that they sent me a message that I can go ahead and drop this off at the relay yard here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I guess I'm a little bit more pleased, but still, dude, like, I wouldn't have to be going through all this, you know, and I still gotta go pick up my load wherever that's at, and hopefully there's an empty here. But geez, guys, like, come on, we're supposed to work as a team, you know what I'm saying? Like, this shit don't make no sense to me. So we're almost there, about 0.9 miles. For a second I thought that truck was going in reverse, but it's just a truck getting towed. I thought he was going in reverse. We're gonna make this right here. Stayed wide to the left, so you know, hopefully I don't get close to the curb, because oh my god, so be it that I got close to a curb. Jeez, guys, we're pulling a 53-foot trailer. I'm not pulling a freaking car. So we're gonna go ahead and make this right here whenever possible. But I'm not gonna go ahead and go on this red. Alright, their light is run. Alright, no. Oh my gosh, I got 2 inches from the curb. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ, people. We're gonna make a left here, but I'm gonna have to wait because there is a train passing. There's a red light here. I know we gotta make that left up there, but there's a railroad track there, and I know the train is passing. So, oh, wow, that was bold. Hey man, you're not supposed to do that. The lights are flashing red. But hey, to each their own. If you would have got smoked by that train, well then, so be it. As slow as that train is going, that still will still smoke you. When I mean smoke, it'll get you smoked, baby. Trust me, I watched all this crap on YouTube. I watch a lot of weird stuff on YouTube. Like, I don't know, I just be watching weird stuff about animals and whatnot. Alright, so
In half a mile, your destination is on the left.
alright, so we gotta make a left coming up here shortly. And yeah, right there. So we're just gonna stop right there because the train is coming, and I will not be racing against the train. Oh, it's not here. Okay, not here. It's the next left. But as far as that train may seem that it is, I will not be playing my luck. So alright, we're gonna go ahead and make this left here, and I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the train to pass. Because it does look, seems like it's pretty far, but it's not that far. And I'm sorry, not playing that game. There's a CFI trailer got hit by a train the other day, so I'm also not that dumb to race against a train as slow as it appears that it's going. I wonder if we offer you this UPS right across the street. So yeah, we're just gonna stay right here and wait for this train to pass. I'm in no rush. I'm in no freaking rush. So yep. Alright guys, I guess I'll be back when the train passes. See? Told you it wasn't that far. I've only been here for like a minute and it came up. I wonder if I should blow the air horn. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, well, now we wait. Alright guys, so the train has passed. Now we can go. After that van turns right. Alright, come on, come on, come on, lady. Alright, now we're gonna wait for this truck here to go. Good to go. We're gonna make this right into here. All right, we're gonna go wide here. And there is, the gate is open. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and find a spot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on our blinkers here, and so I see this CF5 section here, but I know there's another section back there, or at least there was last time I was here. Oh, I'm sure we can just drop it anywhere. All right, cool, sounds good to me. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and come around here like this and drop it next to that one CF5 trailer I see there. And I can only pray that the trailer I'm picking up, it might be here, hopefully. If not, then whatever, so be it. But all right guys, let me go ahead and back in here. Let's go ahead and go all the way to the right, and then go ahead and straighten it out. Oh wow, woo, woo-wee, that was perfect. That was freaking beautiful. Hit it with a little right. Alright, now we're gonna go back to the left and just straighten everything out. Alright, that was beautiful. We're gonna go a little bit more to the right. And perfect. Perfect. All right, go back a little bit more. Perfect. All right guys, I'm gonna drop this trailer and see you guys later.